Thank you, Chairman Black. Unfortunately, we are here today for the most tragic of reasons, to fulfill a plan that is a betrayal of the American people. How is this plan a betrayal? When you cynically strip 24 million people of health care and double the number of uninsured in the country from 28 million to 52 million, that's a betrayal. And when you undermine the health care safety net for more than 70 million Americans, like seniors, children and their parents struggling to get by on poverty-level wages, and people too disabled to work, that is a betrayal. Last night on CNN, I listened to Secretary Tom Price try to counter angry rural doctors, retired teachers, and cancer survivors who know that this bill is a betrayal. And when asked by Dana Bash if he could promise that no 50 to 64-year-old would see their costs increase, Secretary Price could not answer. This motion to instruct would turn back the misguided attempt to strip $880 billion from Medicaid from 14 million Americans in 31 states across the country. The reality is that even Republican governors from states like Michigan, Ohio, and Nevada agree that Medicaid expansion has been a huge benefit to real people in their states. In my home state of Washington, Medicaid expansion has helped over 600,000 people and cut the number of uninsured in half to just 5.8%. Stripping Medicaid also affects over 1 million people who suffer from substance abuse disorders like opioids and are finally getting much-needed treatment. One of the most cynical actions under this bill is the wholesale transfer of billions of dollars in Medicaid costs to the states. This is the opposite of states' rights. It's like telling states that you're left holding the bag, and in this case, body bags for the millions of people who suffer life and death consequences. I now yield 3 minutes to Ms. Jackson Lee.